Aloe vera gel is soothing and lightly antibacterial, great for skin healing, burns, and mild germ control. Ethanol is a top germ killer used in sanitizers and hospitals. Best at 60 to 90% strength. Scented oils smell great, and some, like lavender or eucalyptus, can fight mild bacteria too. Tea tree oil is a natural powerhouse, kills bacteria, fungi, and even some viruses. And bottles of your choice. For example, this cap has metal fitted, so it's detectable if lost on the beach.